Namaste to all JVNs, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about enzymes and their classification. So enzymes are basically proteins produced in the living cells which is highly specific and highly catalytic to its substrates, and enzymes are very important type of macromolecular biological catalyst. Due to the action of enzymes, and chemical reactions in organisms can also be carried out efficiently and specifically under mild conditions. If we talk about the nomenclature, so nomenclature of enzyme is derived from their substrates or catalyzed chemical reactions, and is usually added as a suffix. Enzymes can be indexed with letters and numbers according to International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. The letter EC plus four members representing four elements. The first number represents enzymes that are classified according to the mechanism of enzymatic reaction. If we talk about the classification, so according to the type of reactions that the enzymes catalyze, enzymes are classified into seven categories, which are oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolysis, lyase, isomerase, ligase, and translocase. And oxidoreductase, transferase, and hydrolase are most abundant forms of enzymes. Individual enzyme classes are further classified systematically based on chemical name of the substrate and its reaction mechanism. In this chart, we can simply see that oxidoreductase with EC1, and in this reaction catalyze redox reaction and can be categorized into oxidase and reductase. Second one is transferase, where B will transfer to the C and catalyze the transfer or exchange of certain groups among some substrates. Next one is the hydrolysis. Here, water molecule will be breakdown and H molecule will bind to the A and OH molecule will bind to the B, accelerate the hydrolysis of substrates. And lyase, next one is the lyase. In this reaction, promote the removal of group that with form the substrate to leave a double bond reaction or catalyze its reverse reaction. Next one is the isomerase, basically facilitate the conversion or conversion of isomers, geometric isomers or optical isomers. Next one is the ligase, catalyze the synthesis of two molecular substrates into one molecular compound with the release energy. Seventh is the translocases, which is catalyze the movement of ions or molecules across membranes or their separations within membranes. According to the Unified Classification Principle of Enzymes published by the International Society of Biochemistry, each group of enzymes in the above seven categories can be further divided into several subgroups according to the characteristics of the functional groups or bond in the substrate. In order to show the properties of substrates or reactions more accurately, each subclass is further divided into subclasses and directly contains a quantity of enzymes. Moreover, on the basis of molecular composition, enzymes can be divided into pure enzymes and binding enzymes. Enzymes containing only proteins are called pure enzymes, and binding enzymes are composed of protein and cofactors. Only when the two components are combined can the enzyme have catalytic activity. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.